Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to do number 13. It might be a good idea to look at problem number 12 if you have absolutely no idea how to do this problem, because number 12 basically shows you a lot of different little shortcuts. So as you can see, what we're doing is, as stated in number 12, we're taking this array, we're feeding into the method frog, and frog is going to take in an array as a parameter. So that whole thing, that whole array up there, that's the array we're dealing with. Anyway, num is going to start at 0, and I in this, as you can see in here, just like in number 12, we're constantly adding the item in the array to num. In other words, we're creating like a total. So let's see which numbers we need to add up. Well, we're going to start with array.length minus 3. Without even counting, think to yourself, okay, what is the index of the last item of the array? The last item of the array is length minus 1. Length minus 3 would be the third to last item of the array. So we're going to start by adding on the 45. So num is going to be 45 first. And then we I minus minus. So that just goes backwards 1. The next item we'll add is the 11. And we're just going to keep going backwards until, now let's just think about this. When are we going to stop? Well, it says I is greater than 0, which really means item 0, 1 is the last item we're going to stop at. So really all we're doing is we're going to just keep going backwards, adding up all these items, including item 1, but stopping right there. So to do this problem, all you have to do is just add up those numbers. Let me just do some quick little erasing here. We are going to add the numbers 45 plus 11 plus 12 plus 32 plus 5 plus 36 plus 52. And you end up getting some type of answer. Not really sure what it is, but I'll grab my calculator and pause for a bit. And I believe you could obviously don't need a calculator for this, but if you add up all those numbers, you end up getting 193. So that's the value of num after you've gone through the array. Notice there's no braces with the for loop, but just like an if statement, there's no braces for the for loop. It only takes in the first statement. So you can just assume that these braces are there if there's only one statement after the for loop. Now, we need to go ahead and just calculate this stuff at the end right here, double the 1. So what we'll do is we'll change num to double. So num is just 193.0. I need to divide that by, let's look at this, array.length minus 2. Array.length is how many items there are in the array. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is really just like 10 minus 2. So it's like 10 minus 2. So this is 193.0 divided by 8. And if you do long division, you will get 24.125. And that is the answer to number 13.